my name is Tejas and welcome to my channel Tracy Tejas. So आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं एसएफ एनएसएफ का ग्रेड 5 का 2021 का ओलंपियाड का पेपर शूटर. एंड तक जरूर बने रहिएगा और अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा. तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. नाउ हियर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Ruhani is sitting 12 from the left hand in a row facing north. Ridhani sitting third from the right hand in the row. If there are only two students between Ridhan and Ruhani, then find the total number of students in the row. So we will directly add the students. So here Ruhani is sitting 12 from the left hand. So 12 plus Ridhan is sitting third from the right hand. So means 12 plus 3 14 and 2 students. So 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. I mean 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 and then 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. So our B17 is the correct answer. And now second question. Select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the given figure. So here this type of shape is not present in the figure, means it is not exactly embedded, and this one is embedded because we can see this shape here. So means our B option is the correct answer. And third question. Some alphabets are coded in a certain code as given below. So here letters and codes. What will be the code for farmer? So for farmer first is F. So here question mark and then A, hashtag, question mark, hashtag, and then R, downside arrow, M, upside arrow, and then E, and then again downside arrow. So this is the answer. So this type of pattern is in D. So D is our correct answer. Now the fourth question. Find the correct water image of the given figure. So this is the figure, and now here first this dot is downside, so it will be upside. So in B and D they are only on the downside. So here are the upside. So means the correct answer can be from A or C. Now we can see that this dot is downside, so it will be upside. So here it is downside and here it is upside, means A is our correct answer. Now question number 5. Study the given patterns carefully and tell the number of butterflies in pattern 31. So here pattern 1 is having 4, pattern 2 is having 7 and pattern 3 is having 10. So what will be our equation here? 3 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 4. And here 3 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 7. 3 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. So in pattern 31 what we will do? So here we will do is 31 into 3 plus 1. So 31 into 3 is equal to 93 and 93 plus 1 is 94. So our answer here is B94. So B94 is the correct answer. And now there is a definite relationship between the figures on either side of. Identify the relationship on the right pair and find the missing figure. So here it is like water image. So this is like this. So means this will be like this side. So means this is the correct answer because no other side is having like that. So means our D option is the correct answer. And now seventh question. If Palak is facing the parking, then what will she facing if she turns 180 degree anti-clockwise and then 135 degree clockwise? So first parking to 180 degree anti-clockwise, so she will face the metro station, and 135 again clockwise, so she will be facing the school. So the school is our correct answer. Now count the number of cubes in the given figure. So on this side there are 8 cubes, means back side there will be also 8 cubes. So first we will do 8 plus 8, that is 16, and here are 3 cubes on upside. So 16 plus 3 is equal to 19. So our D19 is the correct answer. Now 9th question. Read the given information carefully and answer the following question that follows. So Anaya likes chocolate and mango ice cream but not butterscotch ice cream. Shania likes mango and butterscotch ice cream but not vanilla ice cream. Maya likes mango and vanilla ice cream but not chocolate ice cream. Kavya does not like butterscotch ice cream. So here what we will do? So first chocolate. So chocolate, Anya likes chocolate, and here mango. So mango is chosen by Shania and Manya. So here we done this, and now butterscotch. Butterscotch. So here Shania likes butterscotch and chocolate. So here we done this, and now which flavor is chosen the most? Mango. So our B mango is the correct answer. Now the 10th question. Which of the following Venn diagram best represents the relationship amongst furniture, table and wire? So under furniture, table comes. So this circle can be furniture, this can be table, and wire does not come in this category, so wire will be outside. So means our B is the correct answer. So now the 11th question. Which of these is an example of free floating water plant? So lotus is an example of free floating water plant. So we will take here A option is our correct answer. Now 12th question. Study the food chains given below carefully. So, which of the following statements hold true for the given food chains? So, grass, goat, man, leaves, giraffe, lion, papaya, fruit fly, and then lizard. So, all the food chains start with plants. Yes, this is correct. All the animals eat both plants and other animals. This is incorrect. And animals that eat plants become food for other animals. This is also correct. And then animals only eat other animals which are smaller than them. So this is also incorrect. So 1 and 3. So C 1 and 3 is our correct answer. Now X is an organ where digestion of food and absorption of nutrient takes place. So digestion of food and absorption of nutrient takes place in our small intestine. So C small intestine is our correct answer. Now 14th question. Select the correct statement regarding source of water on earth. A. Ponds hold about 70% of all the water on earth. So this is not correct. B. No water exists beneath the surface of the earth, so groundwater is there. So this is also incorrect. The earth has much more salt water than fresh water. So this is correct because oceans mainly consist of salt water. So C is our correct answer. Now, in which of the following machines wheel and axle is not used? So A, doorknob. So this is correct because wheel and axle is not used in doorknob. In skateboard, wheel is used. In car, wheel is used, and many more. So our A option is the correct answer. And now 16th question. The figure below shows the shapes of the moon as seen from Earth on different nights. So, which one of the following figures shows the correct shape of moon on 20th September? So, 20th September, then directly 26th of September here is given. So, if we see, so if there is waxing gibbous moon on 26th of September, there should be waxing crescent moon on 20th of September, and it should be half moon on 23rd of September. So, maybe, B option is our correct answer. Now, 17th question. Select the incorrect statement regarding wooden spoon. A, it has definite shape. It is correct. Yes. B, it has definite volume. This is also correct. C, it can be compressed. So, this is incorrect because wood cannot be compressed as it is solid. So, C is our correct answer. Now, let's move to the 18th question. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. So, vitamins, fight diseases. So, A to 3. So, A to 3 only here means C is our correct answer. But we will match all the nutrients to column 2. So, roughage, what they do? First we will do all this. Protein, build muscles. Fats, keep body warm. And roughage and carbohydrates give energy. So means roughage is not there. So means our and a roughage will be to helps in removal of faces. So our C option is our correct answer. Now 19th question. Mona Lisa categorized living organisms on the basis of their body covering. She made 4 groups of 3 organisms each. By mistake, she placed one wrong member in each group. Identify the wrong member of each group and select the correct statement regarding them. So group 1, gecko, python and anteater. So gecko, python have scales on their body, and anteater is a mammal. So means it should be replaced. But we will first read all this and then all the options. And group 2, snail, parakeet and oyster. So snail and oyster shell on their body. Parakeet is a bird. Now dove, sparrow, hippopotamus. So dove and sparrow are birds and have feather on their body. Hippopotamus is covered with hairs. So, and here group 4, hedgehog, porcupine, tortoise. Hedgehog and porcupine have spines on their body. Tortoise have shell. So here what it is given? Anteater of group 1 should be interchanged with oyster of group 2. So this is incorrect because oyster is having shell on their body and gecko and python are having scales. So here should be an animal which is having scales. So means this is incorrect. Now B. Snail of group 2 should be interchanged with porcupine of group 4. So here snail have shell on their body and porcupine has spines. So if we put it here, it will be more wrong than it is given here. Now C1, hippopotamus of group 3 should be interchanged with hedgehog of group 4. So hippopotamus is covered with hair and hedgehog is covered with spines, and here both the animals are covered with spines, so here should be also animal with spines, but here it is not given. Now D, parakeet of group 2 should be replaced with clam. So parakeet, yes, is it correct, because parakeet is a bird, snail and oyster have shell on their body and clam also have the same, so means D option is the correct answer. Now 20th question. Refer to the given table which shows the characteristic of 4 animals P, Q, R and S. So characteristics: undergoes molting, this P, tick, means P can be mosquito, and here for this, here R it is not there, so R can be cockroach. So now young will resemble adults, no, means P can be what we say mosquito, because Q is going from both this, but mosquito there is no this type of things done, and here in cockroach it is done, so here it is tick, so this is also correct. Life cycle has 4 stages, so P and mosquito and cockroach both have 4 stages in their life, and here in P and R both there is tick, means our C, P and R is the correct answer. Now 21st question. Read the given following statement and select the correct option which correctly identify the true and false. Last 2 pairs of ribs are called floating ribs. This is true. So I will write here true. So means the correct option can be from C or D. Now motor nerves carry messages from the sense organs to the brain or the spinal cord. So this is incorrect because motor nerves carry messages from brain to sense organs. So false. So here it is given false, means D is our correct answer. So now 22nd question. Smriti paired 1 kharif and 1 rabi crop as shown here, rice and mustard. Select the option that pairs crops in the similar manner as done by Smriti. So mustard is a what we say rabi crop and rice is a kharif crop. So here wheat, pea, chickpea, oat, gram, these are what? Rabi crops, and soybean, cowpea and maize are kharif crops. So in this question all are kharif crops and A and B all are rabi crops, and only in C option one is kharif and one is rabi. So it is in the similar manner as done by Smriti. So C is the correct answer. Our 23rd question. Which of the following can be found in the given word grid? So it is the reducing phase of moon from full moon to new moon. So it is called waning. So here waning is not given. Now B, it is used to launch an artificial satellite into space. So rocket is used, and here rocket is given. So I will highlight this. So means our B option is the correct answer. And what is C? It is the major gas that forms the sun. So it is hydrogen, not helium, because helium is given here, but that is wrong. And D, it is a force that holds the atmosphere around the earth. Gravity, and gravity is not given in this word grid. So means our B option is the correct answer. Now 24th question. Identify the group that contains one example of each 3 types of rock and select the correct option. Granite, pumice, slate. So this is incorrect. Now obsidian, sandstone, marble. This is also incorrect. limestone, conglomerate and quartzites. So this is correct, means our C option is the correct answer. Now 25th question. The given figure shows a lunar eclipse. In case of a solar eclipse, the position of dash and dash should be interchanged. So the given figure shows a lunar eclipse. In case of solar eclipse, the position of Q and R should be interchanged. So B, Q and R is here. So Q and R. So means our Q and R is the correct answer. तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. थैंक यू.